Hi, friends. One common question that I get asked is, how how can you be so energetic and do so many things during a day? There's so much that I have, and there's different roles and responsibilities that I take care of. So let me share with you today one of my tips that I use to stay energetic to make sure I get things done whatever I want to do during that day. So the first step of that process is the previous day, making sure you review in general how your day is going to look like. It could be, if you're working, how what are the different tasks you have or different meetings you have to attend. In general, you don't have to go through in detail, but just quick 3 to 4 bullets, 5 bullets of what it is going to be like. If you want to cook, what is it in okay, yeah, this is for lunch, this is for breakfast, this is for dinner. What are the different things you have, any meetings in different conversations you want to have. Just make a list of it, mental notes of it in the previous day. But the magic happens the next day morning. So after I have that on the previous day, what I do, the first thing when I get up, usually I thank God for the life He has given. Thank you, God, for this new day, for the family and everything. And then I ask Him for a blessing throughout the day. When I do that, I visualize my entire day. The previous day, you already made a mental notes of what are the different activities you have for the next day. In the morning, the first thing that you do is visualize that. When I say visualize, it's hard for some of us to understand. So it's nothing but you close your eyes, you see yourself doing those activities right from the first task. Like I think of, okay, I'm going to get up now, this is the first thing I'll do, then this is what. It's like a movie that is playing in your mind where you are just watching yourself do all that you wanted to have, right from the small step to the detailed one. If sometimes there are important conversations that day or important activities, events, make sure you visualize you doing those or you having those conversations, what it is going to be like. Sometimes it's difficult for us to say, okay, I don't know what the other person is going to say, or I don't know what's the reaction from that side going to be. I'm not the first one to start a conversation or start the meeting or start the event, kind of a thing. But as much as you can, the way you want it to be, you want to convey certain points or you want to have the event to happen in a certain format, you visualize what you have in control of, or the way you want it to be. Think about it and just direct your movie, I'll say. You're just seeing it play in front of you with closed eyes. Initially it might, if you're not used to this practice, it might take you 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or you might find it even hard to visualize, see yourself. But slowly, eventually, it hardly will take you 5 minutes. Or if it's a very important thing that you are doing, then probably an extra another 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the max, where you see the entire day play out in front of you. You see your energy levels. If you want to have that high energy, make sure you're visualizing it in a way where you're feeling energetic throughout the day, until the wrap of your day. Once you see that, then go about your day. It almost feels like, okay, you already thought about this event and you're just doing it. So it plays out the way you have visualized it. I've practiced this for many years and it helped me a lot. Even things that you don't enjoy doing, but if you visualized it and you're doing it, it feels a little more joyous. You feel a lot more in control because you know what's going to happen next, because you've already thought about how it is going to. You've seen that movie already. You know what's the next scene going to be. In events or conversations where you thought it's important but it's not playing out the way it is, but at least you are much prepared for it. 90% of the cases, even in situations that are not in your control, they say that it manifests for you. So the way you have visualized, you'll start seeing things manifest. Initially it might not be that, because you're just practicing, or you don't have so much confidence in what you're visualizing, so it might not play out. But as slowly as you build this confidence, as you see things happening the way you've thought about it in the morning, your confidence grows, your visualization, your manifestations becomes stronger. So 90%, 90-95%, the way you've thought, most of your days end up being, they would definitely be days where it is not the same. but you would not want to stop because of one or two incidents, or 1 or 2 days like that, the remaining 90 days being the way you want it to be. Try that, and do let me know how it manifests for you all. Okay, what are the side effects, or are there no cons for this particular idea, or the method that I've mentioned? One thing I will say is, once you manifest, or once you visualize certain things, and if you see there's some disturbance in it, I thought, okay, I'll be making, or this is how the conversation is going to be, or I'm going to make so and so thing for dinner, but once I go down, I don't find something, I have to change what I've thought of. It creates a little frustration, because you see that what you've thought is not happening right now. But for that moment, you should let go and go happen, because that is the one single event that didn't happen out of the entire movie. One scene didn't happen as you thought, but there's the rest entire movie that you still wanted to happen the way you wanted it to. So that's one con, I'll say. When you see things changing than what you have directed for yourself, the movie you've directed for yourself, you feel a little disturbance and stuff like that. You should be not letting that demotivate you the next time, or setting your entire day's mood off because of that one single event or one single scene in a day. That's the only thing I have seen. But if not, with this method, I feel the day is a lot smoother. There's a lot more energy. You feel end of the day, okay, I did the entire scene the way I have thought of it, my entire day went well. You feel a lot more achievement in your day, a lot more in control of your day. There's so many things that you start seeing, feeling happy about this particular method and process. So try it and let me know how do you all feel about it. That's all I have for today. Thank you.